So like I said in the video that just happened, that mindset, mind state of the mind is very important, whether you're giving an examination or doing anything which is critical, in which there are maximum stakes involved. So in this video, I thought I would share with you a meditative track. It's a small, compact meditative track. And I can assure you, if you plug on your headphones, find a quiet space, and if you can relax yourself, sit down and listen to this audio or even see this video, it's going to change some waves in your head. It's going to change the physical state. I encourage you to put on your headphones, pause this video at this point in time, put on the headphones, take a comfortable place, and whenever you're ready, that's when you will begin to play this from here. Close your eyes and take a comfortable position where you know for the next couple of minutes you can focus on something that is important to you. So what is important to you at this point in time? What are you seeking? What is it, that one important goal which matters the most at this point in time? Which you've been chasing, which you've been working hard? What is it? And just imagine, what would life be when that goal is fulfilled? How would life be when you know that that goal is realized, it is fulfilled? What's the expression on your face when you've achieved that goal? What is the expression on the faces of people who are important to you when you would have achieved that goal? And what's the feeling at this point in time when you see yourself? Now ask yourself, what does it take to get there? What does it take to get there? What's the effort required? What's the creativity required? What more is required of you? And remind yourself, you have it all, don't you? You have it all, and you've done incredible things in the past. Go back in time and think of a moment when you did something important to you, which at the beginning you must have thought is difficult, but you did it anyways. You not only surprised yourself, but you also surprised your close dear ones by reaching there, by getting that, by achieving that. It's time you do it again. It's time you breathe that worthiness again, because you already have the skill. Maybe you need the will. Get it from your own self, from a time in the past when you had actually done it. Breathe in everything that could bring possibility. Breathe out everything that brings resistance and your inhibition. Breathe it out. And if not now, like I say, when? It's a good day. It's a good time. Breathe in and breathe out. Remind yourself of everything that is important and be willing to let go of everything that's not. And to build a focus that keeps you aligned to your breath, to your goal, to your existence, to that which is important to you and your current moment. And promise yourself you're going to spend some time in silence every day to build your resilience, to build your focus, to build the dream, and to remind yourself of the capabilities, possibilities, and all your potentials. And when you feel good, and when you feel ready, and you feel now is a good time, then that's when you gently open your eyes to come into this world, to see, do, believe, and work that which is important. You may gently open your eyes and come into this world.